How to activate dark mode on Google. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. So in this video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually activate dark mode on Google Chrome browser, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you might be using Chrome on a mobile, or you might be using Chrome on your PC or desktop or Mac. Whatever the case is, it is very easy to switch Google to dark mode. For this, all you have to do is just open the Google Chrome app, then just tap on the three lines icon from the top right. Even if you're on PC, the process is the same. Once you tap on the three lines icon, here you'll find the option called settings. Just tap on it, and then once you tap on settings, just scroll down and then you'll find the option called theme. Just tap on the theme option, and then you have three options, which is the system default, then light, then dark. So if you want to switch to dark, then just click the dark option and it will switch to the dark mode. If you want to switch to light, you can select light. System default means that if your phone is in dark mode, then Google Chrome is also going to be in dark mode. If your phone is in light mode, then it's going to be in light mode as well. And hope this video helped you as to how you can activate dark mode on Google Chrome. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.